Life is a miracle. It is a complex and beautiful tapestry woven from the intricate interplay of countless processes. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms share a set of fundamental characteristics that define their existence. These characteristics, known as life processes, are the essential functions that allow organisms to grow, reproduce, and interact with their environment. In this journey of discovery, we will delve into the fascinating world of life processes, exploring the mechanisms that enable organisms to thrive. We will uncover the secrets behind nutrition, the process of acquiring and utilizing food for energy. We will unravel the mysteries of respiration, the intricate dance of gases that fuels our every breath. And we will investigate the remarkable systems that transport nutrients, remove waste, and maintain a stable internal environment. Our exploration will take us from the depths of our own bodies to the far reaches of the plant kingdom. We will discover how plants, through the magic of photosynthesis, harness the power of the sun to create their own food. We will learn how animals, in turn, depend on plants and other animals for sustenance. And we will marvel at the intricate web of life that connects all living things. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed as we embark on this extraordinary adventure into the very essence of life. Imagine your body as a complex machine, constantly buzzing with activity. Just like any machine, it requires fuel to function. This fuel comes in the form of food, which provides us with the energy and raw materials we need to survive. Nutrition is the process by which organisms obtain and utilize food. It is the foundation upon which all other life processes depend. Without proper nutrition, our bodies would grind to a halt, unable to perform even the simplest of tasks. There are two main types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic organisms, such as plants and algae, are like master chefs, able to create their own food from scratch. They do this through the process of photosynthesis, using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose, a type of sugar that serves as their primary source of energy. Heterotrophic organisms, on the other hand, are like restaurant patrons, relying on others to prepare their meals. Animals, fungi, and many bacteria fall into this category. We obtain our food by consuming plants or other animals, breaking down their complex molecules into simpler substances that our bodies can absorb and utilize. Breathing is something we often take for granted. It is a natural and effortless process, yet it is essential for our survival. But breathing is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to respiration, the intricate process by which our bodies extract energy from the food we eat. Respiration is like a controlled burn, carefully orchestrated within the confines of our cells. It is a chemical reaction that breaks down glucose, the sugar we obtain from food, releasing the energy stored within its bonds. This energy is then used to power all of our bodily functions, from muscle contractions to nerve impulses. There are two main types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, as its name suggests, requires oxygen. It is the most efficient way to extract energy from glucose, yielding the maximum amount of ATP, the energy currency of our cells. This process takes place in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. Anaerobic respiration, on the other hand, occurs in the absence of oxygen. It is a less efficient process, yielding far less ATP than aerobic respiration. However, it can be a lifesaver in situations where oxygen is scarce, such as during intense exercise. Anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid as a byproduct, which can build up in our muscles, causing fatigue. Imagine a bustling city, with its intricate network of roads, highways, and railways. Just like a city, our bodies require an efficient transportation system to move essential substances to their destinations and remove waste products. This is where our circulatory system comes in, a marvel of biological engineering that keeps everything moving smoothly. In animals, the circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart acts as a pump, propelling blood through a vast network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body, while veins return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest of the blood vessels, are where the real action takes place, allowing for the exchange of nutrients, gases, and waste products between the blood and the body's tissues. Plants too have a transportation system, albeit a simpler one than animals. Their vascular system consists of two main types of tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for transporting water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, while phloem carries sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to the rest of the plant. All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of excretion. You see, excretion is a vital process in all living organisms. It's how our bodies get rid of waste products that are generated from metabolic activities. Without this process, these waste products could build up and become toxic. Now, for humans, the main organs involved in excretion are the kidneys, liver, lungs, and skin. The kidneys filter blood to remove urea, excess salts, and water, forming urine. The liver, on the other hand, breaks down old red blood cells and detoxifies harmful substances. Our lungs expel carbon dioxide, a byproduct of respiration, while our skin helps remove excess salts through sweat. Isn't it amazing how our bodies have such intricate systems to keep us healthy? So, next time you take a deep breath or break a sweat, remember, your body is hard at work keeping things in balance. Coordination and regulation are crucial for maintaining the balance and functionality of living organisms. Think of it like an orchestra, where every instrument must play in harmony. In our bodies, this harmony is maintained by the nervous and endocrine systems. The nervous system acts rapidly, sending electrical signals, while the endocrine system works more slowly, releasing hormones. Together, they ensure that our bodies respond appropriately to internal and external stimuli, keeping everything in sync. Reproduction is the process by which organisms create new individuals, ensuring the continuation of their species. It's a fundamental aspect of life, allowing for genetic diversity and evolution. In sexual reproduction, genetic material from two parents combines to create offspring with unique traits. Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves a single organism producing a clone of itself. Both methods are vital for the survival and adaptation of species across generations. Life processes are deeply interconnected, forming a complex web of interactions. For instance, respiration provides the energy needed for growth and repair, while digestion breaks down food into nutrients that fuel cellular activities. These processes don't occur in isolation, they influence and support each other. This interconnectedness ensures that organisms can thrive in their environments, adapting to changes and challenges as they arise. The symphony of life is a beautiful and intricate composition where every process and interaction plays a vital role. From the smallest cell to the largest ecosystem, life is a dynamic and ever-evolving masterpiece. Understanding these life processes helps us appreciate the complexity and wonder of the natural world. It reminds us that we are all part of this grand symphony, contributing to the harmony and balance of life on Earth.